Hi everybody, this is Sue and I have another nail video for you. So today we're gonna do a pedicure. Let's get started. Okay, so right off the bat, you're gonna see me struggling to cut this client's toes with my nail clippers. And that's because her toes are so short and kind of like close together. So I really can't even get the nail clippers like in between like the nails so I can cut them. So I was struggling a lot here and I'm just like, I don't know, I just couldn't do it. But that's okay because sometimes, people are all different and stuff, so things like that happen, but it's not a big deal. So what I'm gonna do is just cut, as much as I can, and then I'll, just continue my pedicure process, and I'll just go back to cutting the nails after I put the cuticle remover on. So sometimes when you're struggling with something, you might want to consider just moving on to the next step. And then, when you do all the other steps, it might be easier to go back after, if that makes sense. So that's kind of what I did. And so, per usual, I'm going to go in with my medium sanding band at a pretty low speed to etch the nail plate and remove some dead skin and cuticle on her nail plate. This client's toes are in pretty good condition, and to prep her toes was really easy, really fast, because you shouldn't have that much cuticle buildup or anything like that. So it's going to be a pretty straightforward pedicure process today. And then, per usual, my second step will be to go in with my cylinder bit, and I'm going to use that to get into the cuticle area a bit more and the side walls. And then I'm just going to exfoliate her skin with my fine ball bit, or fine diamond ball bit, or sphere bit, I don't know. I guess it's a ball bit. I like to call it a ball bit. Okay, so now I'm going to use my liquid cuticle remover to soften up her toes, her toenails and skin and stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to push back her cuticle even more so I can get off some of that dead skin that I wasn't able to get off, or that was kind of just stuck on there through the filing process. Note to self, or just to all of you, I really like this cuticle pushers, color and stuff, like that kind of that purple rainbow mermaid chrome type of design. But these cuticle pushers are so trash. You can't see it from this video, but it's so thick. It's weird. I don't know. I don't like it. But it does the job. But I got these from Shein, and it comes in a pack with 2 cuticle pushers and cuticle nippers. The cuticle nippers work okay. But the pusher itself I am not a fan of, so I don't know, I just wanted to get that off my chest because I was using it the other day and I'm like, why am I using this thing? Like, this is not even like that great of a tool. So, but yeah, so now I'm gonna, since I used that cuticle remover, it definitely softened up her skin and her nails, so I'm able to get underneath her toenails now, which I couldn't before because her nails are, I guess, were just like too dry. So now that I'm able to get under there, I'll be able to actually cut her nails to the length and shape that I want, since it's a little bit more soft. And then I'm just gonna clean out her, clean out her toes, get all that gunk out of there. So I'm trying to go back in with my my nail clipper, but I'll still, the shape of the nail clipper and the shape of her toes just doesn't work. So I decided to just go in with my cuticle nippers to cut her toes instead. I probably should have done this from the very beginning, because, with cuticle nippers, you can get into the, certain corners and stuff better than you can with nail clippers themselves, but it's okay. So now that her nails are a bit softened, I'm able to use my cuticle nippers to cut her toenails down a little bit shorter, and then I'll be able to file and shape them to the length and shape that we want. And at this point, her toes are completely prepped, so we'll just add her polish and then the pedicure will be all done. I didn't include the polish this time just because I included it in my last video, but y'all know how polishing goes. But thanks so much for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!